प्रशांत किशोर का सर दो राज्यों में बना हुआ है सर वोटर आईडी कार्ड बना हुआ है पश्चिम बंगाल और बिहार में, उस पर क्या कहेंगे?
अब बताइए, दूसरे पे उंगली उठाने वाले, दूसरों को नैतिकता की दुहाई देने वालों का खुद का हाल ये है। जब खुद के घर शीशे के होना तो दूसरों के घर पे पत्थर नहीं उछाला करते।
प्रशांत किशोर का दो सर, प्रशांत किशोर का दो
आईडी कार्ड है। Will be releasing the manifesto. Basically, he's calling it as Tejasvi Pranapatra.
Well, I don't understand the reason why are they releasing it today. If Rahul ji is coming tomorrow, and I'm happy that finally he remembers my state and he is coming back, because there was a time where because of SIR he made a lot of hue and cry over this, but then after that he just vanished. He completely vanished from the scenario. When there was a collapse that was taking place within the alliance of Mahagathbandhan, that time also he was nowhere to be seen. So finally I'm happy that eventually he is coming back to my state. But then if he is coming tomorrow, why are they releasing their manifesto today? Is there an issue between the central Congress leadership and the state leadership? Is it only because of the state leadership that this manifesto has been agreed to? Or there are disputes between central Congress leadership and the state Congress leadership? That I don't know. That is time will tell. But I don't find this amicable setup that when he's coming tomorrow and they're doing this.
चिराग जी प्रशांत किशोर हैं।
MGP's manifesto being called as Tejasvi Pranapatra. How do you look at this?
So of course, I mean, when you saw those posters and those backdrops and the hoardings when they were released, when the press conference was taking place to announce LOP Bihar Vidhan Sabha as the CM face, that time also we saw that it was only his face which was there throughout the hoarding. I don't understand that how the cadre of other parties is going to take this, because if their leaders' pictures are not there, I don't think it's a motivating factor not to see your leader's picture on the hoarding and on the and now when they are calling it out and out one person focused manifesto, so it is for the others to react and comment on who are so called the important part of that analysis.
प्रशांत किशोर है सर, उनका दो राज्यों में प्रशांत किशोर का सर दो राज्यों में बना हुआ है सर वोटर आईडी कार्ड बना हुआ है पश्चिम बंगाल और बिहार में, उस पर क्या कहेंगे?
अब बताइए, दूसरे पे उंगली उठाने वाले, दूसरों को नैतिकता की दुहाई देने वालों का खुद का हाल ये है। जब खुद के घर शीशे के होना तो दूसरों के घर पे पत्थर नहीं उछाला करते।
ठीक।